Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, as you can see, we have a tire. This is my truck's tire. And for a couple of weeks, I've been losing air. So I decided to take it off and check it out. I know a lot of you will say, hey, why don't you just take it to Discount Tire and all that. I kind of have bad experience with them. Every single time I went there, I had to buy a brand new tire for the truck. Every single time. Every time they tell me, oh, it's a side puncture, we can't fix it. So every single time I actually had to go ahead and give $200-300 for a tire. So before I do that this time, I said, I'm gonna go ahead and check it out. If it's a regular puncture, I will fix it. If it's a sidewall puncture, I'll still try to fix it. I know it's a lot of you think that that's kind of risky to do, safety concerns and all that, but it's kind of tight right now with the money and all this corona stuff. And so yeah, I decided I'm gonna try to fix it on my own, and that way I can show you as well how to do it. So yeah, I went and I purchased a Pittsburgh Tubeless tire repair kit. This is actually the newer version. They used to have a different one where this needle was kind of different. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try now to explain to you how to do it and show you the way how to do it also, and how to find where it is. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna put you on the stand right now. Alright, so first thing first, you're gonna need soapy water to find where the hole is. So you can use soapy water, you can use regular water. I'm just using this because it bubbles. There it is. As you can see. So that's where our hole is, right? Gonna wipe it and use this metal pen just to mark it, to know where it is. Okay. Like I said, make sure the tire is inflated. It looks like that there is something in there, either nail. Alright. So yeah, it looks like a staple. Alright, so next thing, I'm gonna open this kit. And we're gonna get this. So what this does, it actually makes a hole larger, right? It makes a hole larger and also cleans the rubber inside. So it actually makes the rubber fresh. So when you stick in this rubberized, a shoelace looking thing in there, it actually sticks on the brand new rubber. So we're just gonna push it in. Keep doing it 2-3 times. Be careful with this because this can crack. I've seen people cracking this, so be careful with that. All right. One more time. All right. Now I'm gonna leave that as is, and I'm gonna prepare the needle. This is the newer style of needles. If you can focus right here. I kind of don't like this style, but oh well. We're gonna get that, and then we're gonna get a rubber cement. That's what it activates, that rubber. So we're gonna open that, leave it there on the side. Get one of these strings. You can't do it with the gloves because they're really sticky. So try pushing it through there. You can do it. It is possible, so take your time. Needle nose pliers, and then pull it to the middle, like so, approximately middle, right? Now, we're gonna add the rubber cement on it, all over it. This is pretty much a glue. That's all it is. All right, so we're gonna pull this real quick out, and then we're gonna stick this part in. Alright, now I'm gonna put a little bit more of this cement, rubber cement as they call it, and then we're gonna stick. Alright, so that's pretty much it. You stick it in, and then you pull it out. In this tool set, you get this little piece, little blade, and then you cut it off. Of course, now you're gonna inflate your tire and then check for leakage. As you can see, this one is not leaking, so nothing is happening. So yeah, like I said, this is pretty much how you do it. As you can see, it's all done. Both of them. Where is the other one? Somewhere underneath. But anyway, that's done right there. Finished it. The Harbor Freight set. So now conclusion. Is it worth buying this set? Well, to be really honest with you, no. And kinda yes. So, if you do not have anything else other than Harbor Freight, yes. For car tires, this set will work perfectly. I'm pretty sure it will work, right? But for the trucks, for the SUVs, for bigger tires that are kind of thicker, this is what happens, right? I was lucky enough to actually finish it. As you can see, it cracked. So as I was putting the pressure in, it cracked. So yeah, be careful with that. It would be nice if they had this piece welded with this, so they're all one piece, and then this plastic around. But no, definitely not. Don't go with this set. If you need it for trucks, you're gonna struggle. This right here, like I said, for trucks, it will not work. These, perfect. They work just fine. Same thing with the rubber cement. It works really good. So, definitely, I would not suggest for trucks. For cars, regular car tires, yes. So go ahead, buy it. This right here, I'm gonna go ahead and replace it tomorrow, because yeah, it's just not something I kind of seen the videos where people break it too. I actually seen one where person actually hurt himself really bad, where he got stabbed with that. So yeah, that's pretty much how you do it, guys. If you, like I said, if you have any questions about this set or something else, put it down below. Check me out on Instagram as well, Poor Man's Car Garage. Yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you today. An easy way to fix your tire, especially if you have a car. That's way easier. So you stick it in all the way, like all the way. You stick it all the way in. Don't let these stick out. Stick it all the way, and then you pull it out, and then you're gonna pull this piece out as well. So, and then you trim it. Also, I seen people stick it in where this spokes for like a quarter inch, and then they cut it. You can do that. It don't matter. So yeah, make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and of course stay safe, guys. I'll see you guys next time. Laters.